Hello everyone, I'm very happy to meet you again. See, most of the time, repeatedly, I'm saying some of the few concepts that is particularly those who are all searching a job in the manufacturing industry because everyone have thoughts to working in manufacturing industry or else to start a manufacturing industry. See, in the biomedical engineering is concerned, it is not easiest way to getting job. I'm not talking any in a pessimistic way, but ending actually you should have a proper plan to execute to find the job in a proper way. It is not that simply applying to the industries and getting a job. We should have some of the proper plan to execute. Even applying also, we should have some plan. See, every industries or something relating to our human organs in biomedical, in medical device manufacturing industries concern I'm talking about. See, for example, radiology that is relating to scanning our internal organs, cardiology that is relating to our heart related equipments, pulmonology, the equipments that is relating to our respiratory system, urology that is the thing that is relating to our urinary system. Okay, like that, all the equipments that is relating to the human organs. So the first thing is it is not possible that we are studying about as a doctor to detailed study about our human organs, but we must know about the external appearance and an external demonstration and an external anatomy at least of the human organs. In particularly any of the organs which is you are mostly like, choose that particular organs, one or two organs, then study deeply about the particular organ, and then which are all the equipments that is relating to your choosable organ. For example, if you are chosen heart to study, then which are all the equipments that is relating to the heart, cardiology. Okay, and if you are chosen cranial system, that is brain and nervous system, which are all the equipments that is relating to the human brain. That is what actually the equipments are manufactured. The industries that is manufacturing some equipments compulsorily that is relating to any of the human organs. This is what actually the structure framing of the manufacturing industry is. Maybe some of the companies they are manufacturing multiple organ equipments. Okay, like that, choose the organs first, and then we must learn something deeply about the particular organs because in many of the videos I said, in many of the stage I said, you can study enormous amount of, you can gain an enormous amount of knowledge that through our human organ itself. Eye is not study in an anatomical way. You can get into deeper and deeper and deeper, and then only we are mesmerizing of God's creation. That's what each and every organ is functioning. In that way, it is not possible to learn about in deeply manner about all our human organs. If you are looking for the job in my manufacturing industry, try to learn some two or three organs in a deeper way, and then which are all the equipments that is relating to your choosable organs. That's what the next step is, you need to learn all the devices. For example, it is cardiology, something around 144 devices are there in cardiology for diagnostic and therapeutic. You can study deeply about all that particular equipments because you are expert in heart anatomy and the physiology and internal metabolic activity, then which are all the things that is relating for the diagnosing something and for giving a therapeutical treatment something, you can study about in deeper manner. So you are familiarized on the human organ and also the relating device. Okay, and then the next step is approaching the company for your job that is relating to that particular organs and that particular equipments. Then that is the easiest way, that is entering into the company. At the same time, the human resource manager of the particular company is also felt very happy about you are learning deeply about the particular devices, because the cardiology equipment manufacturing company, they don't mind about whether you have a knowledge on kidney or not, whether you don't have a knowledge on eye or not. They are not been responsible for that. They required you should have a deeper thing about the anatomy of heart and physiology and metabolic activity of heart. because they are manufacturing only cardiology equipment, right? This is what actually the clear plan to entering into the manufacturing industry is. It is not one organ. Choose some 2 to 3 organs. Learn deeply about the human anatomy. Learn about the equipment that is relating to the organ, and next only you are supposed to be applied to some of the manufacturing industry of the particular equipment you are an expert. This is the correct procedure that we are getting into the manufacturing industry. It is not only for working in some other industry. If you have a plan to manufacturing, if you have a plan for starting a company for manufacturing also, you might have knowledge on this way. It is easiest way to manufacturing in this part. You can make a own design, own manufacturing, and own methodology, own templates. You can create an equipment also. This is the entirely a different engineering journal when compared to all the other engineering. There are so many job scopes, there are so many job plans, there are so many criterias, there are so many the entrepreneurial way of approach in the biomedical engineering is there. So you might have know about that particular. Simply studying and getting marks and looking for the manufacturing industry is not a proper way. The way that you are approaching the company expectation is step 1, step 2. If you are expert in that, you can be enter into the industry. And along with that, you must have knowledge on marketing side. How, what is market is actually the current scenario of market is what. Because in radiology or in all the human organ, it is in peak. For example, in the year of 2019, 20, in that period, pulmonology equipments are much costlier in the way of because of the COVID-19. Respiratory ventilators, oxygen concentrator machine, CPAP machine is much heavier rate. There are so many demand on the particular equipment. And according to the market scenario, what actually the trending is, you can choose that particular thing and get deeper in about it, and then enter into the manufacturing industry or starting an industry is a good idea to enter. Hope you understand, my dears, because learning only through the book, learning only through the professor's knowledge, learning only inside the campus syllabus is not at all a fulfill requirement for the industry. The industry strategical plan, their expectation is entirely different. Each and every industry is they're expecting different job, because GE is expecting what they are manufacturing in their mind, what actually required is. According to that, they are chosen the candidates. Okay, then Fresenius is totally belongs to dialyzer. They don't expect anything about the brain related equipments or brain related human anatomy. They are expecting only the anatomy of kidney and the metabolic activity of kidney and the dialysis knowledge. This is what actually the company is categorizing. So according to that, you must have a knowledge on that particular concern. It is the easiest way that is entering into the manufacturing industry. Many times I repeatedly saying the same word is your marks doesn't mean anything. Only the knowledge is can speaks and the planning of getting a knowledge. Knowledge in the sense not gaining through the videos. Knowledge in the sense not gaining through the certificate course. It is the thing that we have some passion towards on that particular thing, then only you can able to be gain the knowledge. Thank you very much.